This is my level 7 Python coding for drawing a square pattern using function and loop. The first line states to import the turtle package. The second line is to get the screen of the turtle package. The fifth line is to get the cursor shape as a turtle. Sixth line is for the title to be level 7 practical and the background color as pink. The turtle's cursor speed should be at 15 and the pen color is at blue. Purpose of this method is that you can change the size, number of turns and angle for the turtle. Let's see the working of this project. Now I have changed the speed to 15 and now let's see how it works.